Welcome to our science session of 6th class. In that before lesson we have to learn about that what do animals eat. In our lesson we have to learn about that three types of food habits are there. Some animals are, some human beings are eat only plants and parts of the plants. Some animals eat only flesh of meat, flesh of animals, and some people are eating, some animals are eating plants and flesh. They can eat both of them. Only plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Example, cow, goat, sheep. These are that is called herbivorous. Some animals are eat only flesh of meat, flesh of animals. Other animals they are called carnivorous, like lion, tiger, fox. They can eat only flesh of other animals. They can call carnivorous. Now in this session we have to learn about that omnivorous. That is, what is the meaning of omnivorous? That an omnivorous is eat only that animals and both plants and meat. They can eat. That is called. They are called omnivorous. Omnivorous, you know that there are many animals live in colonies from huge in jungle. That animals eat. They can depend on searching of food. Other animals, they can kill the animals, they can eat of meat, flesh of meat of the animals they can eat. They are called omnivorous. Some animals eat plants, fruits, seeds and flesh of other animals. They can also called omnivorous. Plants and flesh eating animals are called omnivorous. These type of animals called omnivorous. In this omnivorous examples, crow, you know that in our surroundings, hen, they can eat grain, fruit, grains and small insects, worms, and chimpanzee. You know that now, and that, what is that? Ah, yes, good. That, yes, monkeys, and tell me. Yes, lizards, turtles, yes, crocodiles, yes, okay, mosquitoes, okay, good. These are the omnivorous. Look at the board that an omnivorous in eat that animals, both plants and meat. That chickens are omnivorous. They eat seeds and they can also eat worms. Chickens means hens, puppy hens, babies that eat food, seeds and worms. That human beings also eat plants and meat. Plants and meat. And that chimpanzee is the omnivorous. It eats fruits, leaves, palm nuts, seeds, and as well as ants, birds' eggs, fish and terminates. And chimpanzee is the occasionally kill and eat bamboos and wild pigs. They can eat. When that occasionally means they have to more food, they need more food means on that time they can go hunting the animals like bamboos and wild pigs, they can eat of flesh. That pigs, rats or bears are omnivorous. Yes, pigs, rats or bears are omnivorous. Lizards, turtles, crows are omnivorous. They bats are sometimes eat that suck their blood. They can call blood drinkers also. Some mosquitoes live by the drinking of the blood of human beings or other big animals. Yes, in our surrounding, in our home, mosquitoes are there. They can bite us and they can suck the blood of our bodies. They can live by that drink of blood only. They can call that blood drinkers. And that blood is the mostly water, but it also has proteins, vitamins and minerals. Yes, this blood also have proteins, vitamins and minerals. Yes, in that red blood cells have involved in the carrying oxygen. Yes, it is carrying the oxygen. In the liquid form of blood, we can call plasma, and attenuated solution of salts, glucose, amino acids, vitamins, urine, protein and fats, urea, and the white blood cells involved in minimum system. The platelets also involved in blood clotting. This is about the red blood cells. The red blood cells involved in carrying oxygen. The plenty of blood around it's pretty easy to find. Easy to find. Then the animals like bats and mosquitoes, they can drink the blood. There are some bats in South America in the blood of animals like horses. In that South America, that bats also suck the animals of blood like horses, and they are fish. In that fish attach their fish and drink the blood. They can drink the blood of animals, and ticks, flies, leeches, and they are like blood drinkers, and they also drink the blood. The food chain. What is the food chain of animals? That natural scavengers, Romanians, food chain, and the omnivorous, herbivorous, carnivorous, tracking body parts of plants used. Do you know that food habits, that usually behavior of eating of food is called food habits? That food chain is that link between the plants and animals for the sake of what? Sake of food. What is the food chain meaning? Link between plants and animals for the sake of food. And that what is that? Sucking means growing in. The habit means a natural edo and locally of plant of animal. And is that omnivorous, that animals which is eat only flesh, that is called omnivorous. That animals which is eat only parts of plants, that is called herbivorous. That carnivorous which can eat only flesh, that they are called carnivorous. Omnivorous means plants and animals they can eat, they are called omnivorous. And that this is that about that our lesson. You should complete first lesson question answers and second lesson question answers. After we have to go to the next lesson. In this lesson we have to learn about that food habits of animals. What is the food chain? What is that herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and what is that Romanian means chewing the cud. What is the eat the food is that called Romanian, and what is that stuff means, what is the sniff? Sniff means they have to throw the nose, they have to take. That is called sniff. This is also called about that animal. What do animal eat in this lesson? Children, you should learn the lesson first. Most of the different types of animals that live in our surroundings have their own food habits, and that how can they eat the food? Sucking, licking, picking, chewing, peeling, swallowing, and different ways how to the which is animals take in their food. Some animals taking sucking. What is that? Licking, picking, chewing, peeling, swallowing. These are the different types of they have to take the food animals. The beaks of birds also differ from another depending upon the type of food. They eat only food grains or fruits. And basis of food, the animals divide into three types, that is we know very well, that is omnivorous, carnivorous, herbivorous. That most of the wild animals eat that animals, and they have, how can they have? They have sharp teeth to tear the animal flesh. They change into small pieces, they can take the food. And some animals search of food, their food that right on night only. Some animals are search of food only night. They are called, what is that? Nocturnal animals. That food chains from a web where one animal depend upon more than one source of type of food. There are many animals that live in colonies or colonies, from the huge elephants to tiny ants. And that food chain explain that independence of diverse organisms in nature. These are the elephants also live, though more large number of elephants leave that place, we can call the colonies. And the large number of ants also live where the place is called also colonies. They have to depend different types of food habits are there in this lesson. That birds also have take the, how can they take the food from that it take the food. That birds have different types of beaks. One is that long and sharp beak and curved beaks, sharp, very sharp pointed beaks. You know that very short beaks. There are different types of beaks also there. They have to take from the beak only. And some animals take sniff. Sniff means through the nose. And some animals sucking. Some animals licking, and they have to take the food as they like, as they want. How can they take easily food? They have to take it. Some animals take as food blood. That is, you know very well, mosquitoes, bats. Yes, no, lichis. They have to take food of blood. And some animals, hen, how can they take food from the beak? Parrot, beak. Frog, tongue, they have to take food. Lion, yes, they have to take with the help of claws, they can take to the mouth. And dog also tongue. And hummingbird with the beak. Vulture with the claws and beak. Foxes with the legs, mouth and claws. They have to take food as this. Some I am giving to examples how can with the help of body parts they have to take in the food. Okay na children?